Allow me to introduce you to an inspiring Stoic philosopher named Epicus, who was born into slavery. Despite facing adversity from the very start, he managed to transcend his circumstances in a truly Stoic manner. Rather than letting external conditions define his inner world, Epicus focused on what he could control: his thoughts and reactions. He exemplified the Stoic concept that power lies in controlling the mind, not external events. Eventually, he became a prominent philosopher, teaching Stoicism and inspiring countless others. His emphasis on living in accordance with nature and mastering desires serves as a guide to finding peace and contentment in any situation. When grappling with life's challenges or seeking a deeper sense of purpose, Epicus' story and Stoic wisdom can illuminate the path forward, fostering resilience and inner strength. Let's explore his world of Stoicism together and uncover the invaluable wisdom it offers for our lives. And remember, by not skipping any part of this content, you distinguish yourself as an exception, not the majority.